What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrency in Canada 2021. Um, as of right now, you can't buy any cryptocurrencies on exchanges using Canadian banks. Most of them all blocked them, so I'm going to show you a different method. This method is totally legit. It's backed by Binance, which is a pretty big name out there. And I've heard of a lot of people use it, and it worked out for them. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to head over to Binance.com, and this is their main page. And then you're going to have to register for an account. It's a pretty big process. You have to do verification and whatnot. It only took me about, I don't know, 10 minutes. But it does take a little bit of time for them to process it and everything. So once you're done that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to head over and we're going to do peer-to-peer trading. So we're basically, this method, you're just buying it from someone else rather than from an exchange that you normally do. And then at the top, you'll see the different options. So these are the coins you can buy. If you don't see a coin that you want to buy in the future, that's fine. You can just trade it after you've bought in any of these currencies. You can trade it to the currency you actually want. So I'm gonna buy $25 of US dollar, and then make sure you change your fiat to Canadian, because that's where we live and that's what you'll be paying with from your bank. After that, so if you notice these are all different sellers, and they all have different prices. So you can, the key here is filtering out to find the best price that has the restrictions you need. So for me, my restriction is I'm only going to be buying $25 worth, but I also want the lowest price. So if we see here, if we press buy US dollar here, their limit is you have to spend at least $196 to $197. So the way we can filter that is if we go up here, press $25 Canadian, search, then we will be greeted with a new sorted list. So this is the lowest price we can buy $10 to $150. So it looks like this will be the best option. Everything else gets more expensive. So yeah, we'll press limited. Then make sure you read the terms and conditions on the buyer. Every seller has their own terms and conditions. So I'm just going to read it over, and I'll come back to you right when I finish doing that. So on the terms of agreement on the last seller I was just looking at, didn't really line up with what I wanted. So I'm going to go with a different seller. It's a little bit higher price, but I'm going to go through with that. So I'm going to press buy USDT, then press 25 Canadian, and I'll get 19.53, then press buy USDT. So it says I successfully placed an order. Then it's going to take me to that order. Now is the part where I actually send them an e-transfer. So that's the actual form of payment. So it's going to give me 15 minutes to send the money using e-transfer in Canada to this buyer and seller. I'm going to block it out for privacy reasons. But so I'm going to send that now, and then I'll come back to you once I've sent the e-transfer. Okay, so I am back. I have sent the money using the Interac e-transfer. So now what I have to do is I press transferred next. Then you read this and just confirming that you've made the transfer and everything's gone through properly. And then so you understand that. And then press confirm. And then this is where you're basically waiting for him to receive your payment and send you the crypto. So it's going to take a little bit, but that's fine. And you don't get worried. Everything should go through properly, and you'll have the crypto in your account once it's all transferred. So that's pretty much it. The last thing I want to touch on is if you are going to be transferring it to an external wallet, I would highly recommend you convert and trade your crypto, whatever currency it is, to a cryptocurrency that has very low transfer fees, such as XLM, I mean, Stellar Lumens. It has very minimal transfer fees, so you'll save a lot of money if you're going to be sending it to an external wallet. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.